Mr. Noel Cunningham, underneath people's lives coming from my page, you know. And una done him and I run him. Immediately she call the name Noel, I activate my recorder upon my phone. My voice recorder. My screen recorder, I activate it because, again, I don't know who I'm talking to. And she mentioned her name, Noel. Somebody who I am not candid with. I'm not cool with. So I activate my voice recorder upon my phone. When I activate the voice recorder now, she start talk. I don't appreciate it. You're going to hear it for yourself. It's a suffer. Probably not see them in that with the chef. Same thing. Then the dance one in Maryland. Same thing. Backside. Go help your mama and stop them on the internet and cuss woman. I'm sure your mother would be very disappointed. All of these magazines, everybody and them fuckery. I'm sitting on the veranda selling stuff. Selling a look of peanuts, them and stuff like that for eat. I wouldn't even post it because that would be me. That would be mean. I wouldn't want to post it. But I just said that to point out the seriousness of the situation and how careless you are as a young man, as a son. Most mothers love their sons. Most mothers are their hearts go out more to their sons than to their daughters. And I think you're the only son that she has. Your mother sell bleach and peanuts. Dirty boy. Self. Bleach and peanut your mother for yourself to survive, you drunk or you. Bleach and peanut. People have respect for me. Tell you make her sell bleach and she barely can see because of her diabetes. Oh God, man, chef. It make tears come on my eye. Oh God. Oh God, man. You're in America? You're in Canada? You're in Canada. And your two sisters in Jamaica are just as worthless. Can't help your mother. Most men will come to America. You know what they do? They say, no, sir, I have to help my mother. Most men, responsible men, the first thing them think about is their mother. Yeah, man, them want to help their mother. My mother, they are Jamaican, so I can help my mother. You just come to Canada and just turn your back on your mother like that. Why did you do that? You turn your back on your mom. Your mom has really bad diabetes, sir. You see, like how my father there, I'm there with my father. My father is the one. Mr. Noel Cunningham, underneath people's lives coming from my page, you know. And una done him and I run him. Immediately she call the name Noel, I activate my recorder upon my phone. My voice recorder. My screen recorder, I activate it because, again, I don't know who I'm talking to. And she mentioned her name, Noel. Somebody by phone. She just start go off. She was talking. Oh, I went below the belt and I'm there talking about her mother. And my mother is an entrepreneur. She went through a lot in life. And she went through a lot in life to take care of me and the other kids then. And I don't appreciate you talking about my mother. You see when she said that? You know, I'm turning out if blood clot exorcist. Right? Come back, I said to her, I said, excuse me. I said, excuse me. Before you called my phone, did you call your brother, Noel, and ask Noel how we got here? Did you call him and ask him how we got here? Oh, well, I heard about you and I heard that you're very disrespectful and I saw the video on Facebook where you were talking about my mother and people on Facebook have to say that you're very disrespectful. Wrong thing you do again, girl. Wrong thing. Wrong thing. So basically you're calling my phone because you heard on social media that I am disrespectful and I disrespected your mother, so you call my phone and you're doing so because you're Noel's sister? Huh? You did so because you're Noel's sister, so you're calling my phone because you're Noel's sister. You didn't ask your brother what he did to me. Right? You just came straight and called my phone. So I said to her, all right, since you hear all these things about me, why would you think that I would pick up my phone, go on a live, and just disrespect your mother like that, if it's your mother? Why would I do that? Well, I just heard that you talk about her. I said, why would you do that? She said me and my family, I got DEAD. My phone? Stop it. Stop it. If you have somebody I call my phone, stop it. Because I don't know how that person I get my blood clot number. I don't know how she get my number. As a matter of fact, I can hang up right now and call my phone company and change out all of my number them. Because I don't want none of the pussy hole from the internet call my phone. None of the way associated with them little dirty dog people. Them underprivileged drunk or they. I don't want them call my phone. Because between Uno and that dunce back the Noga Maryland, I don't know who worse. I don't want nobody I call my phone. Whosoever you is, and you call my phone, you never know you would be recorded, and you're calling me blocked. That doesn't mean I can't get your number. I don't know if you know, I used to work for a telecommunications company. I did 8 years in telecommunications, almost 10 years of telecommunications. For all of the dunce people, all of them dunce people that will have called my phone from black number and called my phone from Google numbers. I did almost 10 years in telecommunications. That should tell you something about me. So, uno calling my phone from black number now go suffice. It now go help uno. Me know how feds work with phone and every blood clot thing. Some of them know what uno do. Y'all gotta be playing out